Just going to do a numbering one here. So I have this project that I'm working on, and it's got some beams. There is some grading, some grating there, and there's also some cladding or decking there. So it's a water district, so some sort of water treatment plant. So basically, over here in this area, these are going to be fiberglass beams. So right now, I have not created new beams. I'm probably not going to. He doesn't really need me to. So I just have them coming up on the drawing with the user attributes in here. You can see this is the number of the beam type, and this is the label I want on the drawing. So it's just a numbering exercise. So I don't really have any way of numbering FRP, we call them, so fiberglass parts. So what I'm going to do is, like if I pick this here and just do numbering, and I have it set up with a channel inside, so we can see we don't even have a part number, whatever's going on there. That's a little bit strange. So so what we could do is you could select all of these, and then number, and you can see there's your numbers. So these two on the ends are different on this one. So what we'll do is, let's have a look for a second. So we have 3 CH1s, 2 CH2s, and 1 CH3. So that's good. So what you can do now is you can just select these. I could pick all these. Now if I go up here to output, change that to main part, and let's select these, and then come up here, assign change prefix, and then I'm going to make this FRP, and then I'm going to change this back to single part and select all these, and I'm going to hit this again, and then I'm going to go small FRP, and now I'm going to select these again, and we'll renumber and see what happens. Now the numbers should already be changed on these, so let me just click on this one. You can see it has already changed to FRP, but good practice to just renumber things so you're not messing anything up, so the system knows you're up to date. Numbering, okay, and you can see they have now changed to FRP1. Now if you want to do that from scratch, best way to do that is create a model role. So if I come in here and name, you can see this is a channel. So the best way to go about this would be to come in here, go to management tools, object property editor, model roles, just select, it doesn't matter which one you select, but I like to select a similar one because it resets all this anyway, so it doesn't really matter. FRP, FRP, and I'll pick all straight linear planar elements. You can pick whatever you like, really. Apply, update the settings in here. Now what we're going to do is I will copy one of these over, and naming, you can see the naming did not carry over, so let's come in here, FRP. So now I've picked that channel as FRP. So now if I number this right now, it's not going to work, right, because it's going to treat it as a beam, so it should come in as a B, so a B1, yeah. So I'm just going to back out of that, just go back in, check the name, no, okay. So want FRP, so you want to come up to your output and your sentence in here. So this is your prefix configuration. So user beams, so go down through this, you can see we want it to be a beam, right? And we can see we have a channel here, which is something I've already have. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy. Actually, I didn't want to copy that. Let's cancel out of that. Go back in. It's been a while since I've used this actually, so let's go back in. Beam, any channel, and this one, I'm going to create a new one. Object type is a beam, right? Because it's a beam, and then you want to come in here. And FRP is right there. Subtitle any, okay. And then I want the single part to be FRP. And I want the assembled part FRP. So it'll kind of jump out a page to him. So he's okay with me just sending him a C10. And then he's just going to make it whatever C channel he can get from FRP. So he's not too particular. Now, let's select this and do numbering, and let's see what number it comes in with. Hold on, I'll show you again that this does not have any number right now. The last time it numbered as B1. So numbering, okay. And you can see it has come in as FRP4. So that's the better way of doing it. And then for your next project, it'll already be set up for FRPs. You can see it's got the same single part number. So that's how I number. So anyway, that's good practice if you have some other element. So now I can move forward, and these will be FRPs on the drawing. It'll be quite obvious that they're not just regular steel members. So, all right. I just thought that might be of interest to somebody. All right. Take care.